Hi, I'm Pete with DekTek Tile. We're out here on this beautiful deck here in Minnetonka, and they've already set the deck, and you can see this gray edge. This is a modified Tuscan medley, so we did it in a brown acid stain. And you can see the edge here where it was cut and then ground, and it's very gray and doesn't look so good. So we're just going to show you how to take some acid stain and fix that. And I got some coffee brown acid stain, the same color we used on the deck, and so I got a small brush. You just put it in the brush. Maybe you can get a close-up down here. Put it right on the gray affected area. You can actually see it kind of eating into the gray a little bit. Make sure you get down just a little bit on the side so that you don't see the gray from another position. And you just paint it on there. It's not really going to hurt your composite if you get a little on, but have a little water can, you can get it off. It doesn't affect plastic. Anyway, probably take me a half hour to go around this deck and get it acid stained. And then 10 to 15 minutes after you put it on, then we'll go with water and just rinse it off and brush it with a brush, and then we'll be done. So for the best application, you're going to acid stain the edge just like I'm doing here, and you're going to rinse it, which we'll show you in a minute, and then after it dries out, the best way to do it is to put a seal coat on it, the same sealer that you put on your tile. You don't have to do this on all of our traditional colors. It's pretty much just on the acid stain Tuscan medley decks that need this done, because the color goes all the way through on the traditional colors. So I've already acid stained the edge here once, but if it comes out a little bit too light looking, give it another coat, let it set another 15 minutes, it'll darken it up a little bit. Sometimes it's harder to acid stain the edge of concrete that's been cut versus the surface, but it'll make it look good. If it's too light though, just put a second coat like we're doing right now. I painted a couple coats of acid stain on this. Now we'll just get clear water. We're going to rinse it off. Just hit it with a brush quickly. You can get a broom, might be a little easier than this little thing, but go like that. Brush it and then hit it again with water, and you're done. Once it dries off, just hit it with a little bit of sealer, and she's going to be invisible. You're not going to be able to see the gray edge anymore.